In this video, I'll guide you through how to share games on Steam and play at the same time. Steam's family features make it easier to share your game library with people you trust, allowing eligible users to access your games on shared devices. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the setup process step by step so you know exactly where to find the necessary settings and how to enable library sharing. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, click the Sign In button and enter your account name and password. Take a moment to make sure your login information is entered correctly before continuing. Once everything looks good, click Sign In to access your Steam homepage. After you've successfully logged in, look toward the upper left corner of the Steam window and click on the Steam menu. This will open a drop-down menu containing several options related to your Steam client and account preferences. From this menu, select Settings to open the configuration window. Inside the Settings menu, locate and click on the Family tab. This section contains all the options related to Steam's family and library sharing features. Depending on your account status, some settings may vary, so if you don't see every option available, keep in mind that certain account limitations can affect access to these features. Within the Family section, you'll find the option labeled Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. This is the setting that enables library sharing for users who have logged into the same device. Check the box next to this option to turn it on. Once enabled, Steam will allow eligible accounts on that computer to access your shared library. Next, review the list of eligible accounts displayed in the Family settings. These are accounts that have previously signed into Steam on the same computer. To share your library with a specific user, simply check the box next to their account name. This grants that account permission to access your shared game library from that authorized device. After selecting the accounts you want to authorize, click OK to save your changes. Steam will apply the new settings, and the selected users will now be able to access your shared library according to Steam's family sharing rules. Remember that Steam allows library sharing with a limited number of trusted accounts, so it's a good idea to authorize only people you know and trust. And that's all there is to it. By opening Steam, navigating to the Family settings, enabling library sharing, authorizing eligible accounts, and saving your changes, you've successfully set up Steam's library sharing feature. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get everything configured. Happy gaming!